हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू ओएस पाठशाला, a great initiative by Jeevan sir, and my special thanks to Jeevan sir for giving me a chance in this channel to guide all the ODI students out there who are specifically preparing for the Opsc Aso exam, which will be conducted nearly or tentatively you can say in the month of August or September, tentatively. Okay. So I am Arup, your friend and guide, will guide all of you in the section called English literature. Today we'll learn about some vocabularies. So I have separated the section into 4 sections: root word mechanism, human habit based, words related to God, and literature related words. So first thing, we have to find out how we can make or learn words coming out of root words. First root word here is demo. Demo means population. Okay, demo means population. The root word meaning so simple. Root word meaning remember karantu and kichi additional logic lagantu au vocab session clear karantu. The root word mechanism ro arth hochi hai. The first word, we are going for the first word, demagogue. Demagogue is a politician who falsifies his claims and turns the table on his side. Okay, तो लोको मिछा तो कही कि भूलेइबा, तो जहार character ये होची demagogue, a politician who misleads people by false claims. Okay, demagogue is a politician misleads people by false claims. Second word is demography, study of population, races, number of births, deaths, death rate, birth rate, it is. Okay, so it is called demography, study of population. Third word is demophilia. If you are a crowd lover, then the mechanism is called demophilia. You are a crowd lover. Okay, so you have a love for crowd. Love for crowd is called demophilia. So done with the word demo. Then going to the next section. Cali means beautiful. Okay, beautiful. So the root word, if a root word cali is being in use, we can refer to the meaning as something beautiful is being here referred to. Okay, so calligraphy, graphy means handwriting or some piece of writing. Handwriting. Cali means beautiful, a beautiful piece of handwriting. Beautiful piece of handwriting. A beautiful piece of handwriting is called calligraphy. Calligraphy is a word which comes frequently through your several competitive exams. Okay, so you can, I am frequently saying that you can write it down, these kind of words, as it will help you for the while doing your revisions for the final session of your exams for vocabs. Okay, the second word, we are going for the second word, caliphony. Phony means sound. Okay, cali means beautiful, a beautiful piece of sound. Beautiful piece of sound is called caliphony. Okay, so we are done with the root word cali. Going straight to the next session of root word mania. Mania means obsession, a kind of obsession. Any kind of obsession is called mania. Obsession. Okay. Kleptomania. Have you heard about kleptomania? Have you ever seen a film called Dishum, and the heroine there has a very quiet character? She was a kleptomaniac. Okay, I am talking about Jacqueline Fernandez, the ever unknown, very beautiful and talented actress. Okay, so kleptomania means an obsession for stealing things जिनस चोरी करियार गोटे obsession for stealing things. Okay, klepto means steal, to steal something, and mania means obsession. If you are conjointly using these words, you will find that the meaning comes out an obsession with stealing things. Second word comes as pyromania. Pyro means, in English, pyro means something related to temperature. Okay, so pyromania here comes with an obsession of mind of setting things on fire. कुछ निया लगेबार एक्टिविटी जार ऑब्सेशन थाए तो से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को कह जाए पायरोमानिया, an obsession for setting things on fire. फायर जोड आसला सेठी आसिला वर्ड पायरो, मन रखिते. ओके, the third word is called dipsomania. Dipso means drinking. An obsession for drinking is called dipsomania. Obsessive drinker, dipsomaniac. Obsession for drinking is called dipsomania. Okay, dipsomania clear. जहाँकर किसी obsession थाए पिया पी करिया पे, but drinking रे it is called dipsomania. Very bad kind of obsession. Okay, isn't it? Bibliomania, the fourth, last but not the least, very positive word. Bibliomania, an obsession for books. You are obsessive. If you are obsessive with books, reading or buying something, you are called a bibliomania. Very important word. Obsession for books. So we are done with the root word mechanism for mania. Mania means simply obsession. Okay, so root word रो अर्थ mechanism रो अर्थ होची गोटे root word जाना तो several word रो meaning solve करंतु आराम से. Okay, so we are going to the next session of root word mechanism. Here we have the next session, human habit based words. So what are the words? The first word is pedantic. Okay, pedantic. तो pedantic रो अर्थ होची जे निजो knowledge को show करे. Somebody shows off his knowledge. Pedantic is related to word knowledge. एटा को मन रखंतु, जे निजो knowledge को बखाण करबा देखाए जे सी केते knowledge बा विद्वानी, ताकू कह जाए pedantic. Second word, very important word, diffident. तो diffident, confident गोटे word जानी थी तो तारो simply opposite होउची diffident, lack of confidence or lacking in confidence, आत्मविश्वास रो अभाव. Who is not confident, he is a diffident one. So the third one is flamboyant word. तृतीय word होउची हमर flamboyant, जहाँ पर किछ पैसा अछि बा नॉलेज अछि समथिंग ये शो करिया को चेष्टा करे तो सही नेचर को कह जाए फ्लैम्बॉयंसी, एंड द कैरेक्टर इज कॉल्ड flamboyant. We are here discussing the human habit based vocabularies. Okay, so flamboyant is showy in nature. Very important word, showy in nature, showy, देखानिया जिनस जहाँ भी. Gullible, the fourth word comes as gullible. Gullible means a man who can be fooled easily. जी सहजरे बोका बनी जाई पारे तो से भलिया पर्सन को हमें gullible कहिबा. Then fifth word with human character based or human habit based, our fifth word is malevolent. A person who does something with an evil intent. Person does something with an evil intent. Evil intent, what a खराब उद्देश्य. को नेकी करा जाइथिबा कार्य. Okay, fine. So we are done with human habit based words. First word is pedantic, means जे knowledge show करे, pedantic, simple. Second word हमें सिखिले diffident, lack of confident, और confident रा opposite word diffident. Flamboyant जे showy nature, जे निजर wealth वा knowledge something else जहाँ तापर अच्छी शो करिया को चेष्टा करे तो ताकू कहजे flamboyancy और flamboyant character. Fourth word is gullible. Gullible जे कि easily fooled हो पारे गोटे पर्सन जदि तो से कैरेक्टर होची gullible character. Then fifth word जोटा कि हमें जानले a person who does something with evil intent is malevolent. Okay, we are done with human habit based vocabularies. Then we are going to the next section, what's related to God. भगवान सहित जोड़ित किछि word. Agnostic. Agnostic गोटे word. Agnostic होची गोटे word जार अर्थ होची a person who is doubtful of the existence of God. God अछंती कि नहीं, भगवान अछंती कि नहीं, भगवानंकर रिफरेंस कौन बा कौन सत्यता ए सब पछरे तो सेही लोक को हमें एग्नोस्टिक कहि परिया. हु इज डाउटफुल about the existence of God. Okay, so as I was saying that you can write these words down in your own notes, which will be which will be fine for your last time revision, which will be very, very helpful. Okay, so vocabs means simple. You have to do simple things like memorize and logical reasonize. Okay, so first memorize the root words, then reasonize in your own way to create the meaning of a word. Then we will form a something fulfilled structure of a word in your mind. So it is the psychology behind remembering vocabularies. So second word is iconoclast. Iconoclasm. There is a word called iconoclasm, which simply means destroying idols of images. Destroying idols or images of gods, or destroying some kind of religious beliefs. Okay, so the word called iconoclast and the phenomena is called iconoclasm. Okay, जी मंदिर भांगी दिए बा आइडल मूर्ति भांगी दिए तो ताको हमें कह जाओ iconoclast. Kindly remember, very, very important thing, and you have to remember and revise these words. So third word, we are going for the third word called apostate. Apostate होची सही गोटे पर्सन जे कि निज पार्टी, निज विजन, निज ग्रुप को छाड़ी दिए अधा बाटर. Okay, a person who deserts his group, political group maybe, or friend circle, or some kind of vision is called an apostate. एक करी के कुआ जाय परियो नहीं, but it can be related to the ओडिया वर्ड. ओके, सो निजर ओडिया वर्ड फॉर्म करंतु, ताकू इंग्लिश सहित रिलेट करंतु, हमर मातृभाषा सहित रिलेट करंतु, तो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू रिमेंबर दीज वर्ड्स. ओके, सो अपोस्टेट हु डेजर्ट्स हिज group simple. Okay, deserts his group. So going for the fourth word, blasphemous. So blasphemy is a word. Blasphemy means if you are doing some or giving some disdainful remark, disrespectful remark for against some belief, some religion, okay, without knowing the value of a religion, then it is called blasphemy. Okay, so blasphemous means giving some disdainful remarks about some religion, or disrespectful remark, disdainful marking. I hope you all can comply with my bad handwriting. I wish I can improve it further in my next videos. Okay, so we are done with words related to God. First word is agnostic, a person who is doubtful on the existence of God. Second word, the destroyer of idols or images, iconoclast. Third word, apostate, who deserts his group. And the last but not the least, blasphemous, means giving disrespectful, disdainful remark against any religion or belief. Okay, then we are done with what's related to God. So we are moving further, stepping inside the video. The next segment, literature related word, very important. You can find everywhere where you are giving any graduate level exams or clerical exam or exam conducted by Opsc. There is a bunch of literature related words are coming these days. We have to learn these words. So first word here for us is plagiarism. Okay, so have you heard about Chetan Bhagat, the very famous writer? He once accused the script writers of Three Idiots movie for plagiarizing his writing from the book 5 Point Someone. Okay, so 5 Point Someone, as we all know, very famous book. तो सही थिरु थ्री इडियट्स होइतिला तो तांकर जो लिटरेरी कंटेंट थिला तो सेटा कॉपिंग बा चोरी हेछि बोली से केस करथिले. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लाजियरिज्म. प्लाजियरिज्म सिंपली मींस लिटरेरी थेफ्ट. लिटरेरी थेफ्ट. ओके, तो लिटरेरी थेफ्ट रिलेट्स टू प्लाजियरिज्म. ओके, so we are going further into this video. The word comes extempore. Extempore is a very famous word. Extempore गोटे maiden speech, गोटे speech जोटा कि prepared, well prepared नुह बा an unprepared speech, maiden speech is called an extempore or speech for the first time. Maiden speech. Maiden speech or an unprepared speech is called an extempore. Extempore is a very important word. Kindly write it down on your notebook if you are using pen and paper. So the third word comes here is oxymoron. Oxymoron is a kind of word. Okay, so oxymoron is a word which signifies the condition where two words are being conjoined but significantly expressing different meanings. Like I have a word called deafening silence. Silence. The two words are being conjoined into a single phrase and expressing nearly different meanings. Deafening silence. Oxymoron is like that. Okay, oxymoron a word. Then fourth word is soliloquy. Soliloquy रो meaning होची talking to oneself in aloneness. Talking to oneself. इस है तो कथा है. Soliloquy. The fifth word is epilogue. Epilogue is a kind of speech that is delivered at the end of a play or end of a story. Epilogue is speech delivered at the end of a play or drama or something. So I hope viewers मु आशा करछि कि सब वर्ड्स आपण मन रखिथिबे. तो जहाँ भी मेमोराइज करिया को प्रॉब्लम अछि तो हम वीडियोस अछि तो कमेंट्स करी कि हम जणाई परिबे. So then we will create some kind of tricks to memorize these kind of words. Okay, we are ready for it. If you are ready to comment on our video. Okay, we are done with the segment today, vocabulary session. Kindly comment and share